Byron Beach Club is a members-only area located on the forward of Deck 15 on P&O's Pacific Adventure and Pacific Encounter, available to guests in suites and selected mini-suites. Entry is by swiping your eligible cruise card at the gate. This part of the ship contains an abundance of deck chairs and various seating areas suitable for any size group. You will also have your own pool and hot tubs. There are some games available such as Ring Toss, Connect 4, Cornhole, and Giant Jenga. For larger groups, there are 2 cabanas which can seat up to 11 people. The curtains can be closed for further privacy. Since this area is located at the top forward of the ship, you will have expansive views at very wide angles. This would be handy for coming into or leaving ports, or when cruising spectacular areas of the world. As well as great views and your own bar, the cocktail menu has a few drinks you will only find in the Byron Beach Club, as well as some that can only be found in certain bars. You will also have a selection of beers, spirits, cocktails, and soft drinks. Table water is also available. To help satisfy your cravings, food can also be delivered to your table from Gradi Pronto and Luke's. Although it's not the full menu from these outlets, there's still a decent selection to choose from, and these meals are usually very good quality. Some downsides I've found to Byron Beach Club is the lack of nearby toilets, with the closest being Deck 14 near the main pool. And during windy weather, the overhead shades whistled and caused a lot of noise, making conversation hard. There is also not a lot of shelter from wind and rain. The Byron Beach Club mini suite is a roomy cabin able to fit 4. There is a double bed which can be split into singles and a fold-out sofa bed. There is a coffee machine and the supplied Nespresso capsules are restocked daily. Remember to ask for milk from your room steward. Something to note is when the sofa bed is extended, there is limited room to access the balcony since you need to walk around the bed and a coffee table. The balcony is quite large with a deck chair, 2 outdoor chairs and a table. The only downside of this balcony is the lack of shelter and privacy since all the decks above you can see onto your balcony. However, these are the most outward and lowest balconies, giving better unobstructed views in my opinion. The main benefit of the mini suite is the larger bathroom containing a bath which gives far more room to move than the showers in the smaller cabins. There is plenty of storage space and is stocked with higher quality soaps and products. Daily fruit bowls and turn-down snacks are a nice addition to these rooms. You'll receive a fruit bowl of your choosing every afternoon and your selection of sweet snacks in the evening. The icing on the cake is 2 bathrobes for use while on the ship, great for that Bianco party. These thongs or flip-flops are yours to keep, but do only come in a size 8 or 10. The few issues we had with this room was the automatic light in the wardrobe area, which you cannot control. It is quite bright, so prepare for that for those nighttime bathroom visits. Also, there are only 2 Australian power points which are located in the middle of the room. There are no Aussie power points in the bathroom. Priority boarding and disembarkation is available to you. Your bags will always be in Group 1, but you're able to disembark the ship at any time. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching.